as our product. Why guy liner? You must be surprised. As we know that there is a relatively low market share of a guy liner in Indian market, but it's gradually increasing. So firstly, we will have a look on the product features. The liner we are providing has a chunkier body. It comes in 3 shades, black, grey and brown. It is waterproof and it has bloater and for smudging. It contains essential oils and the price of our product is rupees 550.
Basically, it is useful for the males and females, and also it is used by the transgenders. And the females can use their on her faces to blush to make looking so good, and the males are using as an liner on their mustaches, who are not having some kind of mustaches on their face. Then uses of the liner, that is as an eyeliner. It can be used as an eyeliner, which makes the face more fresh, and it also makes the looking good. Both females and males can use it. And now next is enhancing the eyebrows. It makes the eyebrows thinner and thicker. By using the liner, we can use it as a thinner and thicker of the eyebrows. Then next is it gives the shape to mustache. Just I'll show you about the mustaches. Some of the guys who don't having the mustaches, they can use where they are not having the hairs on the mustaches. And next is darken the braids. It's also darken the braids, just like using the liners on the braids. It makes some good shape of your braids. So it's very useful. And next is help to reduce the visible patch in the disease alopecia. Alopecia generally disease in which there are partial and complete hair loss from the particular area of body, and it can be caused by the fungal bacteria. And in this disease, the adults they are completely considered in the normally considered in the adults.
So our target market is metrosexuals, fashion-savvy people, women, and people in performing arts. There is a friend of mine who is in National School of Drama. He used to use this product for his performances, but now he is used to using this product. So we are targeting all these people, and people in performing arts would include models and the people who are in classical dance.
Basically, we have some characteristics of the customers. That is a person, gender, and female. That is, male can be used, and also it is used by the females to look good in the environment which we are facing. Like in fashionable markets, we are using some makeup. We can use it is as. Then now is age group. That is the age group. That is we are targeting to the 20 to 34 age groups. That is the adults plus the who are some incomes to spend on this. And next is disposable income. Basically, we are targeting the middle and upper middle and high level of the who earn much more than the low level incomes groups. And next is cities. We are targeting about the class 1 cities, that is Mumbai, Delhi, and Kolkata and Chennai. Basically, our product is focusing on these types of the on these cities where the much more people are earning much more than the other cities. Then next is social. We are basically product is considered to the social group, that is reference groups. The groups which are mainly influence our attributes, behaviors, and the social cultures. That is where there are 2 types of the reference group, that is normative and comparative. And that is normative. In normative group, there are the family, friends, and the members. That is our friends. And comparative.
We are distributing our product through outlets in supermarkets and men's salons in Tier 1 cities, and also we are collaborating with Happily Unmarried and Nykaa, and also influence our product on Instagram and Snapchat and Vine, and also we will make our page on Instagram and blogs to socialize our product. And
Our competitors are Mokman Liquid Eyeliner, Nego Kohl, and Forbu. These products are very expensive and they come in liquid. And so we are focusing on the kohl part of the eyeliner. Kohl part of the eyeliner.
So basically, we are focusing on the particular technique.
Right. Talking about drawing the line, which says that in ancient, also in Egypt, Ramses uses the painted method